installed software. It installed the Iris applications. Okay, this is the Read Iris Pro, the OCR software, and installed all of this Panasonic stuff, device monitor. It's a nice little program. It's also available here someplace. There it is. Okay, it's picked up the 3 network printers that are on our network that are turned on. Panasonic and 2 HPs. Double click on it. PhotoSmart Premium Web. And it's showing me the device is ready. Advanced information. It's not giving me a lot of information here about what's going on in the media tray, but that's okay. This is basically correct here. So it's giving me some nice information on a third-party printer. Let's see what it looks like on this OfficeJet Pro. This is a brand new OfficeJet. It's not really giving me a lot of information, but it is correct. I mean, the other one said number of pages printed, but this one doesn't show me that. So, you know, it's a little inconsistent between third-party models, but the most important one is to see what it looks like with this Panasonic. And it's showing me that, that the paper exists and the black toner exists. It's in power save mode. So this device monitor allows you to monitor all your network printers on your network. It also lets you set if pop-ups occur, now beeps occur, display information, lots of other things about this this status monitor. Will work on these 2050 and 2060. Device information, search settings. You can search for devices on the network by IP address, by whether or not they're Panasonics or not. Okay, I specified I just wanted to find Panasonics, but let me search all devices again. You can set a specific range of IP addresses. This is a refresh. Okay, so basically this device monitor allows you to monitor all of your all the printers on your local network. All right. And back to installed software. Under here we have all of this stuff that's here. In other words, we saw the help function. We don't need to run the IP address checker. We already know what it is. Multifunction station is this. PC fax is that. Remote control is that. Viewer, we already saw. I mean, basically everything on here is available under multifunction stations. I didn't see, well, this must be usage tips down here. And the light bulb. So, operating instructions, okay. And so the last thing is easy print utility. I gotta remember where that comes into play. So let's load up a document real quick. Recent. I wish I could have spared you this, but let's go. And this Office 2010 is just, I mean, to print, I don't know about you, but look at this toolbar. I mean, anyway, we're using 20 Office 27 on our other machines, and it doesn't look like. Actually, it's 2003, I guess. But anyway, you got file, print, and you got it all down here. It's and then you have all of this new stuff over here that used to be in a little pop-up dialog. But anyway, let's see how we use the Easy Print feature. Printer properties. I don't remember what. Oh, but basically we can look at the print driver here. Paper, media source, input tray, output, basic, quality, basic, effects, profile, profile. When you set up new, you can set up these profiles down here. Import. I'm not so sure. I don't have anything to import at this point, but we need to set up new ones. So I guess out here, let's see, out here. Output, quality, effects, profile. Printer status should open. Yes, it opens device monitor. Support this. Yeah, now I can see I made changes to the default. Now I can go in and save it. I don't know why I changed it. Thin paper landscape, so I could name it whatever I want here with a comment, and then save it, and this would be show up as an icon over here. Anyway, I don't see anything anywhere on that print utility. So we'll have to go find that some other time. Right now, let's cancel that. Yes. Okay, a good thing for us to do would be look at on that Easy Print utility and the help. Easy Print utility, how to use it. Okay, open the document, want to file print, select Easy Print driver as the active printer. Okay, we missed that back there. Let's do PDF this time. Because that word is just too much. So that dialogue is just too much in Word 2010. So let's see what happens. We open a PDF. Any day now. Okay, and this is a little easier to see. File, print. There it is. Easy Print driver. Okay, so now I say OK. I'm printing 160 pages to. No way. All right, this is a pretty neat feature. So now Easy Print Driver is loading up. Easy Print Utility is loading up. It's taking forever, but it's loading up. Okay, there we go. This is sweet. Let's get this out of here. Let's put this down. This can be put down here. See it? You can right click it. You can double click it. This also can be put down here. So let's keep it over there. Alright, so what we have here is the Easy Print Utility opens up, and it's got pages 1 and 2. I can leave this sitting here. Just keep printing to it. And then what you can do is go in and select and unselect pages that you want to print. You can change the paper source, the quality, the effects. You can do booklets, you can do up, you can create new templates, and you can rotate pages, insert pages, delete pages. So you can put a whole bunch of print jobs together and print them out in a single document on a Panasonic, whatever Panasonic printer you have installed here, and so it becomes a useful document assembly program. This Easy Print Utility, similar to Microsoft Binder from back in the day. And it's asking me whether I want to quit without printing. Definitely. So that's it. Really not a big difference in the functionality between this and the 3020 that we tested a couple months ago. All of this software is basically the same. The big differences you'll find are in the fax and telephone answering machine functions that we looked at from here, and down in here that we looked at for the answering machine and ring counts, yada yada yada. And the other real difference is in here, where you can play back your answering machine. I mean, anything that's on in your mailbox for your answering machine. Mailbox, I should say. You can play it back on your PC. So the software is really pretty much the same thing, except for this here and a couple other things. Hey, cool. Oh, that was awesome. I hope you caught it on the recording. But it gave us the old, if you're sending a fax, press a key to send the fax. So all that's got to be set up on the other end, but it looks pretty impressive so far. So thanks for taking the time to look at this stuff with us, and it's off to test the telephony operations of the KX-MB2061 black and white laser MFP. Thanks for watching.